Want to run your online business empire straight from your phone without being glued to your laptop? First, open Systeme in your mobile browser. Since there isn't a dedicated app, see those three lines, the menu icon in the top corner, tap it. This is your navigation hub. Now a whole bunch of buttons appear. Let's start with funnels. Tap funnels to see your existing funnels or create a new one. This is where the magic happens to attract visitors, capture leads, and convert them into paying customers. Here, I'm zooming into a funnel. You can see each step, like opt-in pages, sales pages, and thank you pages. Tap on any step to edit it directly on your phone. Building emails and capturing leads has become very easy. Next, let's make sure you are ready to send emails. Go back to the menu and select emails, and then create powerful email newsletters, automate with campaigns, and nurture your audience even while you are on vacation. Now that's the real freedom. What about course creation? Head to products, then courses, where you'll find all your course modules, add new lessons, update content, and manage student access rights. Easy peasy. And that's it. Systeme on your phone gives you the power to manage pretty much everything on the go. Now go and build that empire one notification at a time. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.